Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to show you our best in flow valve and finest nozzle kit. The kit includes our finest water hose nozzle, the awesome best in flow water valve, and the stainless steel water hose quick disconnect coupler. So to set up the kit, you want to take your best in flow valve and thread it into the base of your finest nozzle. This setup will give you quick and convenient on-off functionality to your finest nozzle via the lever on the valve, and it also provides pressure control via the flow control knob here so that you can reduce your pressure for rinsing areas like door jambs where you don't want to get the interior wet, or for slowly filling your bucket while you gather up the rest of your wash supplies and save some time that way. And then you're going to want to take your quick disconnect coupler, thread your male end into the base of the best in flow valve, and thread your female end onto your water hose. And this gives you awesome quick disconnect function from your valve and nozzle to your water hose so you can conveniently and easily attach and disconnect your valve to your hose. For more information on the best in flow valve and finest nozzle kit, please visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.